Welcome back, riders and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of two-wheeled excitement with the 2024 Yamaha R25. With its cutting-edge design and enhanced performance, the R25 is poised to redefine the sport bike experience. This machine isn't just a motorcycle, it's a testament to Yamaha's relentless pursuit of innovation and performance. The 2024 Yamaha R25 represents the pinnacle of sport bike engineering. With its aggressive stance and aerodynamic design, every curve and contour is crafted to slice through the air with precision and speed. At the core of this beast lies a refined 249 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, this engine delivering a staggering 35.5 horsepower at 12.000 RPM with 22.6 Nm of torque at 10,000 RPM. With a 4-stroke configuration and liquid cooling system, this engine is designed to push the boundaries of performance while maintaining optimal temperature control. Inside the cockpit, a monochrome LCD screen displays all the necessary information while full LED lighting is used throughout. The 2024 Yamaha R25 comes within a dual-channel ABS brake version with Advix modulator. Suspension is done with non-adjustable upside-down forks in front and preload adjustable monoshock in the back. Tire sizing is 110/70 front and 140/70 rear rubber with seat height set at 758 mm and with 14.3 liters in the tank. The R25 tips the scales at 160 kilograms. Whether you're navigating through urban streets or carving corners on winding mountain roads, the R25 offers a riding experience like no other. Its agile handling and responsive throttle make it a joy to ride in any situation, while its advanced suspension system ensures optimal comfort and control. But it's not just raw power that sets the 2024 Yamaha R25 apart. Yamaha has also integrated cutting-edge technology to elevate the riding experience. With absolutely stunning design, the bikes took inspiration from the future and brought it to life on two wheels. Riding the R25 isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. In conclusion, the 2024 Yamaha R25 represents the pinnacle of sport bike engineering. With its sleek design, thrilling performance, and advanced technology, it's sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone who's lucky enough to ride one. So, what are you waiting for? The future of motorcycling awaits. Get ready to experience the thrill of the ride like never before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.